Katie. I'm a MIG instructor here at PTTI. We're doing a welding competition, and what we're trying to teach the students is a little bit more about fabrication. So the first part of the competition, they're putting together a pencil holder, and it's going to teach them fabrication skills. It's going to teach them different tools they never use, like a square, using their tape measure, which is so important, and grinder with a cutoff wheel. We're going to tack it together. We're going to let them decorate it so they can get a little creative with it too, because I know a lot of the students here came here because they like the creative aspect of welding. So you'll get the fabrication side, a little bit of the creative side. And all the students who qualify and turn in their pencil holders today will go into the second round. And in the second round, they will be given a difficult weld test, and they'll really be able to shine as welders if they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. And we have awesome prizes, so I'm trying to use that as incentive to motivate them. Grand prize of a brand new auto dark helmet.